We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a good job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. And here's the exact 5-star review that one customer left about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Let us help you with our excellent customer service, backed by our years of experience. We'd love to make you one of our happy customers too. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.